Hi everyone, it's Miss Brenner. I hope you're all doing well and staying happy and healthy. I'm here with your week 14 agenda. For week 14, we are going to continue reading Brave New World. We are going to read chapters 11 and 12 and complete the ed puzzles along with the reading questions, along with chapters 13 and 14 for ed puzzles and their reading questions. We are also going to complete the chapters 6 through 10 test. You can do that in whatever order you want, but you must make sure that you have that complete by the end of the week. And then our short story, as far as our dystopian unit for this week, is Red Card. You're going to read Red Card, complete the reading questions, and then I have a short video for you that falls into the same category of dystopian society as Red Card. So you're going to watch the video, and then we are going to compare Red Card and the dystopian society in the video in our discussion post. Those are all of our activities for week 14. I will not be available on Monday, November 29th, so please just keep that in mind. That is it's tomorrow. And so with that in mind, if you send me an email, I cannot guarantee for you that I will answer you tomorrow, but I will get back to you on Tuesday. Please remember to turn in your silent reading tracking sheet this week, so that way I can grade that and get your grade updated as quickly as possible. Please make sure you are checking your grade on Schoology. Let me know if it is not matching that you are seeing on Home Access. And please make sure to turn in any missing assignments for weeks 12, 13, and then 14. Alrighty, guys. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.